Here's a sample test case where we automate one of the most essential business processes in SAP, creating a new material. A material in SAP is any item a company buys, sells, produces, or stores, like a product, raw material, or packaging. As you can see, there are many forms that need to be filled in and validated, each with multiple fields, dependencies, and rules. The automation doesn't just click through the UI. It validates field entries, checks system responses, and handles conditional logic based on the context of the test. Now, you might assume this kind of logic requires hundreds of lines of custom scripting to manage, but it doesn't. With keyword-driven automation, all of this complexity is abstracted behind clear, reusable actions. Let's take a look. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vast library of pre-built keywords that are carefully organized into folders representing different workflows or business processes. Testers can quickly locate the appropriate keyword and drop it into a test case using a familiar, spreadsheet-like interface. Because we're using natural language keywords, anyone can easily read and understand what the test is doing. This clarity is critical not just for test maintenance, but for strong collaboration across QA, development, and business teams. By the way, this is the kind of test case that would typically take more than a day to build using traditional scripting methods. You would have to manually code every UI interaction, handle conditional logic, and write custom error handling line by line. But with a modular, keyword-driven approach, a tester can build the same test in less than an hour, often without writing a single line of code. That's the power of reusable building blocks. Our team of test automation engineers work diligently behind the scenes to build these extensive, high-quality keyword libraries. They operate under the guidance of a US-based project manager who collaborates closely with your team and your customer to ensure that all critical workflows are thoroughly covered, including edge cases, which often expose hidden risks and system vulnerabilities.